We all know the dream of the open highway. The windows are down, you have the perfect playlist, and there is no schedule to follow. But reality hits somewhere around day 2. This upfront work identifies the expensive friction points that usually drain a travel budget before the trip even starts. Step 1 is engineering your drive times. The easiest mistake is typing a destination into your phone and trusting the algorithm's arrival time. That minute count assumes you never stop, never stretch, and never hit construction. Here is a standard 10-hour drive. Multiply that GPS estimate by 1.2. That 20% buffer accounts for gas stops, bathroom breaks, and traffic delays. When we apply the 8-hour rule, raw daily driving must be capped at 8 hours to prevent severe driver fatigue. Now that you have a hard limit, you have to override your map's algorithm. Manually add specific mid-route stops every 2 to 3 hours to guarantee stretching and driver swaps. By intentionally injecting these delays into your schedule, you take control away from the GPS. You guarantee a safe, predictable arrival that doesn't leave you completely drained. Step 2 is the fuel budget. Guessing what gas will cost and swiping a credit card at every stop is a major liability. Take your round-trip mileage, say 1,000 miles, and divide it by your vehicle's average MPG. That tells you exactly how many gallons of gas you'll burn. Multiply your required gallons by the national average gas price to lock in your final expected fuel cost. Instead of doing this math on a notepad, offload the equation into a budget planner spreadsheet. This automates the tracking process and prevents calculation errors. Running these numbers up front turns an unpredictable liability into a tightly controlled, fixed travel cost. Step 3 focuses on the logistics of hunger. Waiting until passengers reach their limit before exiting means you lose hours to inefficient stops and overpay for convenience food. We solve this with the zero-friction meal matrix. For every travel day, you prepare exactly 2 packed cooler meals and map exactly 1 planned dine-out meal. Preparing meals requires organization. Using structured packing cubes inside your cooler drastically improves efficiency when pulling off on the side of the road for lunch. For your snacks and restocks, use the Search Along Route feature in your digital map. Filter specifically for actual grocery stores to bypass expensive rest stop prices. Take your spreadsheet and assign breakfast, lunch, and dinner to specific geographic waypoints along your route. Everyone in the car should know exactly where and when the next meal is happening. Pre-planning your food is a powerful risk mitigation strategy. It preserves family harmony in the car, eliminates daily decision fatigue, and protects your travel budget from the high costs of roadside impulse buys. You now have a comprehensive logistical itinerary. You have engineered time blocks, locked in a strict fuel budget, and mapped a complete meal matrix. That initial anxiety of figuring out the details on the fly is gone. You are now holding a complete, rigorous travel intelligence strategy that puts you in total control of the trip's outcome. To automate your own route planning immediately, you can download this digital spreadsheet template. The Road Trip Route and Meal Log calculates your buffer times and fuel taxes instantly. If you prefer a pen and paper strategy, you can use our physical travel planning logbook to manually structure your days. You can find links to both tools in the description below. Putting in this rigorous upfront logistical planning might seem like work, but as you hit the highway, you'll realize this system maintains the freedom of the open road without the hidden taxes of poor planning.